Dear traders, in this video I will show you how to extract the expert advisors that you want to move to your live account or to another demo account as I suggested as a beginning. Alright, so let's say we want to take the expert advisors that made above 10 euro of a profit. Okay, so these are the first 5 expert advisors. What we will use is the magic number of the expert advisors. So what I will need to do is to go to the MetaTrader account and go to File, Open Data Folder, and I will go to the path where are the experts, MQL4 experts, and here they are. Okay, now you can take the MQ4 files or you can take straight away the EX4 file, so you don't need to compile them again. And if you have couple of expert advisors, let's say 5, 10, it will be easier for you to see the magic number. But when you have many expert advisors, you can just search for it. Alright, and let's say we want to take the first expert advisor, which is 3067343. Now pay attention here that FX Blue removed the first digit, which is 0, from the magic numbers, and sometimes it is the same. Sometimes I notice that it removes the first digit, but the magic numbers are just the same, only the difference here we have 0 on the front. Okay, so this is the first magic number, 3067343. Alright, I just write it over here with a 0 and it is 3067343. Alright, this one over here, I will copy it and then I will make a new folder over here, and let's name this folder, for example, experts for the live account, or let's say for the other demo account. Okay, I will open it and I will paste it over here. So I don't remove the experts normally from the demo account. I keep them testing over here and I place them on another account. Now the next expert advisor is 3122857. Okay, I will start with 0, so it's 031222857. This one over here, again I will copy it and I will paste it in the folder. Alright guys, so this is how I extract easier the expert advisors, and especially if there are too many. Once you are ready, once you have selected the expert advisors you want to trade in another account, you just need to copy them, go to your MetaTrader platform where is the other account, go to File, Open Data Folder, and same thing, MQL4 experts, and paste them over here. So one thing I need to mention, and many beginner traders and beginners with MetaTrader actually do the mistake, is they open another account, for example another demo account to practice, and they paste the expert advisors and they switch between the accounts. Okay, but when you switch between the accounts, what you will do is you will disconnect the first one. So if I just log into another account now, this one will be disconnected from the server and these expert advisors will not work. Alright, the positions will remain opened, but the expert advisors will not work. So what you need to do is you need to install another MetaTrader platform, paste there the expert advisors which you want to trade, and run the two simultaneously. Okay, you should not switch them off and you should not switch between different accounts in one MetaTrader. Alright, so one more time I want to make it clear. This is my method that I use to test the expert advisors. I test many strategies on demo account and then I select the top current performers, the expert advisors that are currently profiting on the market. They are in the profitable phase, not in stagnation, and I want to place these expert advisors in my live account. However, I don't suggest anybody to hurry live trading. As you see, I record the videos and most of my courses on a demo account because I really don't want to push anybody trading live. when you are ready, you can do it. This is your own risk with your own money, so it is your decision whether you will trade on a live account or not. But the thing you can do is to open another demo account where you can just simulate trading like on the live account, and where you will place the top expert advisors, and you can create your own method how to filter them and how to select which ones you want to place on the live account or on the other demo account. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Cheers!